Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Rosie Gold Nouveau BDSM set. So let's get started. So the Rosie Gold BDSM set contains 9 exciting pieces, both to use solo or with your partner. Whether you're a beginner or more experienced user in BDSM, there's something for the both of you. First up, we have a blindfold. This is perfect for partners. You can use this to blindfold your partner to heighten their senses around them. It's also silky soft and smooth, so it won't irritate the eye area. We have a pair of elegant nipple clamps. They have beautiful feathers attached to the bottom of them, and they're easily adjustable using the little ring at the bottom just here, so you can decide how tight or loose you want the nipple clamps to be. They feature a rubber silicone material at the top here, so it doesn't agitate the nipples. These provide wonderful nipple stimulation and of course give it an elegant look too. Next up we have a feather tickler. This is perfect for those who want to heighten their sensations. It's perfect to use anywhere on the external part of the body and also the nipple area as well for extra tingling sensations. Next up we have a whip. It has an easy grip just here at the bottom just here, and you can give your partner a gentle whip. It feels exciting and gives a slight stinging sensation as well, making it even more exciting for you. Next up, we have the Rosie Gold Fragranced Massage Candle. It's very simple and easy to use and smells wonderful as well. Simply light the candle and wait until the candle turns into an oil. Blow out the candle, wait a few seconds, and you can pour into your hands and enjoy and give your partner a wonderful massage. Please note it's not edible and cannot be used orally. Next up, we have ankle and handcuffs. You can restrict your partner's movement and thus makes it even more exciting for them. They are adjustable with the buckles just here, and the inside is soft and smooth and made with a foamy material to ensure a comfortable wear during use. The ankle and handcuffs also come with these metallic chains, so you can tie them up together and make it even more restricting for your partner as well. They're simple and easy to use. Simply pull down and it will lock into place. And lastly, we have a collar and a leash as well. Similar to the handcuffs and ankle cuffs, to attach, simply pull the clasp down, attach, and it's ready to go. It also features press studs as well, so you can determine how tight or loose you want it. Perfect and adjustable. It also has an easy handle just here to control. As you can note, all these products contain a beautiful rosy gold colour and shine to them, making the Rosie Gold collection look even more inviting and elegant. Here are some useful measurements about the wrist cuffs. They are adjustable from 12 centimeters to 19 centimeters. The total length of them is 35 centimeters, and it's also 5 centimeters wide. Here are some useful measurements about the ankle cuffs. They can be adjusted from 25 centimeters to 36 centimeters. The total length of the ankle cuffs is 39 centimeters and it's 5 centimeters wide. Here are some useful measurements about the collar and leash. The collar with the press snap buttons is adjustable from 35 to 45 centimeters. The collar itself is 2.5 centimeters wide and the leash is 97 centimeters long. And that is the Rosie Gold Nouveau BDSM set. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.